is so cute. Oh my god, she's adorable.
Yeah, she is.
This is my favorite toy. Is that pretty cool, baby? Of course, next to Evan, she's probably second cutest.
No, she's way cuter than Evan. Evan has entered the brat stage.
Well, Evan's cute when he's in a good mood and happy.
But right now he's pretty cute.
He's concentrating.
Oh, is that what you're talking about on the video? It's not zooming?
Yeah.
Oh, interesting.
See?
I wonder if it's just like the mode that it's in.
But even when you have it just in the still camera mode, whatever zone thing you have it in is what it records in. So when you took a still picture right before this, it was zoomed in on the tree.
It stays there.
It'll stay in zoom for record mode.
I'm sure that's just in settings, but... Is that fun, Evan? Is that fun, baby? Huh? Okay. He is mesmerized by that. Okay, signing off.
That was from Auntie Rocky and Uncle Wayne. They did good.
Yes, he did. Matter of fact, this is the only toy he likes right now. Dun dun dun!